How to access or download utilization report in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Access various reports by clicking on Reports. Select the utilization report from the available options. Choose the desired date range for the report. The top chart displays average hours used per day, hours available per day, total hours used, and total miles driven for the chosen date range. The bar graph shows the number of vehicles compared to average utilization. On the right side, you'll find a graphical representation of average utilization of vehicles across dates. Below, discover a list of vehicles along with their type, utilization percentage, average utilization per day, hours available per day, set by admin, total hours used, and total miles driven. Click on a vehicle to access a detailed view for that specific vehicle. On the vehicle-specific page, the top graphs present the same details as the previous tab. Below, view the detailed report for a particular vehicle, showing date, utilization, hours used, hours available, set by admin, and miles driven. At each step, you have the option to download the report in PDF, Excel, or CSV format by clicking on the Download button located at the top right corner of the screen. Use the Share option to directly send the report via email.